the video. And basically what we're gonna be doing is just doing like a KT100 racing kart heart transplant. Mostly because I'm gonna be honest with you guys, we're just trying to sell the kart and just make it more, because we were thinking of just parting it out and selling all the little pieces and keeping both frames, but it's probably a lot easier to sell if we like actually had one running kart. But we like this frame a lot better, and we want to make like either electric kart or shifter kart with like a motorcycle engine in the future with using this frame, because it is a cadet frame, so I don't feel bad like chopping it and lengthening it or widening it or doing whatever for fitting like battery packs, something like that. And we really like this Italian kart and how all the body panels will be pretty easy to paint if we want to do like, I don't know, like a martini livery or like our own custom like Bill Breaker Pete thing or golf, something like that. So just disassembling this one completely, or at least of all the KT100 parts, like engine, chain, sprocket, throttle cable, the micron tack thingy, and then moving all of that stuff on to like the 2012 blue kart we have that's at my buddy's house right now that'll come in later. So I think first thing we need to do is probably just worry about detaching all of this wiring stuff, throttle, all that, get that out of the way, so then we can just hopefully unbolt the engine. It's actually really simple because all of this clutch stuff is just on this one engine plate that unbolts. So we shouldn't have that much harder, that difficult a time. Then at the end of the video, we'll just take it over, put it in the truck, take it to some neighborhood and drive it around a little bit so you guys can see. Alright, so throttle's kind of undone, as you can see. There's kind of a weird little clamping mechanism, but I got it out. So now, I think we're just gonna reuse this gas tank in the other cart, depends on how it fits, but literally it's just held in there by hopes and dreams, which don't know if that's how it's supposed to be. I doubt it. It's a nice little tank though, I might even keep that, but I am back and the wheel is off. So now, in theory, oh, this is like the lightest engine I've ever held. It's crazy that it like makes as much, like more power than a Predator, for being as small as it is. All right, well, let's say hello to the purple cart. It looks like, I think it's a 2013 chassis, in pretty good shape, but I think before we get into anything too much, I'm gonna just see if this engine fits. Because if the engine doesn't fit, we can just call it a day. Okay, so that just comes out. Now let's see if we can make this work. Very little teeth. Yep. Cool. This is gonna work, guys. We're in business. Probably just gonna have to do some plastic clearancing.
Okay, filling it up with gas.
Yeah, so we got the fuel line in, throttle's hooked up, brakes were hooked up before. I just mounted the seat. I had to flip around the mount on this side to get the bolt up, and then because this one's basically solid, normally they can move back and forth. Yeah, we'll fill it with gas, and then I think we're just gonna try to start it up and rev it out with the chain connected and stuff and make sure everything's working, and then yeah, we're doing good. But I mean, this is pretty much plug and play. We've had no issues yet, so good deal.
Whoa!
Oh.
Wait. Oh no.
Wait, does it work? Still works.
Dude, oh no.
Oh, the go-kart. Alright, here goes nothing.
That was easy. Okay, so we just cut a hole in the side piece since we needed to fit the starter through it.
And we also kind of notched it right here so we can, so it clears there. Can't even tell, honestly. So
we got the Go Power Sports fuel filter on there.
Oh yeah, our air filter.
Oh, air filter, yeah.
But yeah, actually, cause here, let me just go over here real quick. Field trip. This is kind of what's meant to run on it, but it kind of cracked. So we'll run the Go Power Sports one, basically made for it. So I think we're pretty much ready to go here, right? Pretty sure we're good. So let's go to the nearest developing neighborhood and hopefully not get in trouble.
Okay, so that's what the sky looks like right now. We got the in the back. Oh, dude, I think I missed that lightning. Yeah, but it's pretty sketchy right now. But
yeah, I think we're gonna just pull over right here, take the cart out, film a very speedy driving video, and then get out of here before the sky destroys us. Thanks for watching. There's lightning everywhere. We gotta get out of here. Hey, KT100's good. Now it's ready to sell so we can make some money and do some different cool projects. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you, Go Power Sports. You can, Go Power Sports has all the parts to make your racing cart awesome, so check them out. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Hope you enjoyed the KT100 content, but unless we find another good deal on Craigslist, it's gonna be a little while before you see another KT100 on this channel. But thanks for watching. See you next time. Buy some shirts. See you later.